Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! I know it's been a while since you saw my face, so hello, I'm here! And now, we will have a review! Kasi malapit na yung exam natin. Kaya, I really do hope that this review ay makakatulong talaga sa inyo. So of course, as what I've said, that since I started working in ASCAT, of course, I tend to find ways on how to help my students learn more. And of course, part of increasing their performance in school is through the conduct of review. Usually, in conducting review, I have the certain activities na talagang nakaka-enjoy talaga siya. As in, kahit tanungin mo pa yung mga estudyante ko, enjoy talaga yung activities namin during review. And of course, even though this is a virtual, is kung hindi ka pa nag-study sa mga materials na ibinigay ko sa iyo, kindly skip this video muna. This is not for you. Because, why? How can you be able to learn the concepts that I will be discussing if in the first place, wala kang prerequisite na natutunan from the materials that I give to you? That is why, kung hindi mo pa nabasa yon, basahin mo muna. Bago ka, or bago mo panoorin ang video na ito. Okay? So, I bet itong mga nanonood is or tapos na sila mag-study. So, naong daw sa nag-study be. Okay. So, without further ado, dami ko ng chika. So, I will make this video short ra gyud. Okay, so di na ako mag-check kapag dugay. So, let's start. So, by the way, this review is only maliliit lang na concept yung i-discuss ko. Nag-highlight lang ako ng mga concept. So with this, you need to study talaga the materials that I give. Baka mayroon akong mga na-discuss or hindi na-discuss dito na lalabas pala sa exam. So it's better to study those materials. So this will just supplementary for you to learn the other or the concepts more. Okay? Again, basahin mo na lahat ng materials before ka pumunta rito. So, ang dami ko ng reminder. So, of course, K to 12 science curriculum. So, alam naman natin na ang science is ito ay opisyal na itinuturo talaga as a subject in grade 3. So, therefore, in kinder grade 1 and grade 2, science serve or what? Is integrated with other subjects. For example, nagtuturo ng English will make use or for example sa example or for example sa example. So, kapag nagtuturo ng English, ini-integrate ni teacher doon ang more on environment. So, science na 'di ba 'yon? Okay? So, 'yun. So, science as a subject which starts in grade 3. So, therefore, from grade 3 to grade 10, is spiral progression talaga yung science. So therefore, biology is what? Taught from grade 3 padulong na pataas. So therefore, if in grade 3 nagtuturo tayo ng biology, in grade 4 may biology pa rin. So ano naman yun? It is just what? Nag-increase lang yung complexity. Okay? So, if in grade 3, mga madadali lang yung itinuro natin, sa grade 4, medyo taasan natin yung level. So, it should be developmentally appropriate. So, imong tanong sa ko ang ng... Okay. Next. So, of course, we have now the chemistry. Chemistry, it is the what? The study of matter. And matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. By the way, walang masyadong note dito na nakalagay. So, kayo nang bahala mag-note sa mga sinasabi ko. Okay, kung gusto nyo mag-note. Okay, so matter, so it has two. We have pure and mixture. So pure, it talks more about element and compound. So example of elements, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, etc. And of course, we have mixtures. It could be divided into two categories, homo and hetero. Kapag homo, it is one. So, mixtures wherein isa lang talaga yung kulay or isa lang yung nakikita nating itsura. While hetero is dalawa. Example of homogeneous is, of course, we will mix salt and water. So, kapag i-mix natin, isa lang yung makikita natin, di ba? And of course, hetero, when we eat halo-halo. Heterogeneous mixture yun. So, may mga example pala tayo dito. So, yun. So much for chemistry. And now, let's move to separation of mixtures. Okay, may mga item kasi na sinali ko tong separation of mixtures. Okay, sieving yung lasa. Huwag nyo namang tanggalin yung mukha ko. Okay, so let's start with decantation. Ano yung decantation? So, dali lang nga. Kuwag tubig, kuwag baso. Ang baso na ay tubig, gisagulan mo balas. Di ba mababag yun ang balas? So, you wish nga, tanggalon ang tubig, ipabili ng balas. So, what separation of mixtures yung gagamitin mo? Ang gagamitin mo ay yung decantation. So, of course, decantation, yun ang gagamitin mo. Anong gagawin mo? Is, ang water, di ba, may tubig at saka sand. So, iyaburin mong tubig. Pag yabunin mo, nabili ng sand. So, that is decantation, pouring. Pour, nagyabo. So, next, let's talk about winnowing. From the first letters niya is W-I-N, win or wind. So therefore, we need to make use of wind if we tend to use this winnowing. Unsa man siya? Kasi ni mga basakan diri Okay, kung na may basakan, di ba ka-try na mo anang i-separate niyo ang katong walay unod nga kuan o katong nay unod nga kuan, grain. So how to separate that one is pahanginan, diba ninyo ilabay niyo sa taas yung pahanginan, malagpot tayong sangin itong mga walay unod, kato siya, winnowing ang tawag dyan. Another way nga pagbulag is, we call this one threshing. Ano man itong threshing? It is from stem. Ka-observe mo ka namang hagdaw mo, sure ko nakapanghagdaw ng ubandiri sa mga nakapanghagdaw, diba paghagdaw nato is, di magid nato na ipakilo dayon no, kay wala pa man nato natanggal ang katungkuan grain sa iyang stalks. So of course tamak-tamakan tara siya, we call that one as threshing. Next, sieving. For example kani katong na-sieve nimo, katong salaan nimo, dili pod katong kuan, katong filter paper, dili siya katong naay mga bangag-bangag lang. For example, nagmix ka og bato og tubig, din gusto nimo ibaba ang kanang kuan, tubig or kanang sa mga panday. So itawag ani kanang mga balas ug bato. I-separate niyo ang balas ug bato, di ba magamit mo tong yan push niyo. So we call that one as a process of sieving. Next, biology. So biology, it is the study of life. So sir, medyo di kayo nang makita, bala mo. So biology, it is the study of life. Bio means life and logy means study. So we have branches of biology. Actually, maraming branches yung biology. Pero ito lang yung nagbigay ako ng focus. So, let's start with phycology. Phycology, it is the study of what? Algae. Lumot, para mas dali. Ecology, the study of what? Ecosystem, interaction of living and non-living things. Mycology is the study of what? Fungi. So, some examples of fungi. Mushroom. Next, gerontology, study of ages, edad. Next, botany. Botany, it is the study of plants. And opposite of botany is zoology, the study of animals. And we also have taxonomy. Taxonomy, it is the naming of organisms. Kana bitang mga scientific name? We call that one binomial nomenclature. And the father of taxonomy is none other than Carolus Linnaeus. And of course, we have the ethology, more on sa mga ethnic groups ito. Okay, next. So, the things that you need to study. Of course, kindly highlight this one, cell and its organelle. So, marami yon. I think may video yon. So, just watch the video na lang I uploaded here on YouTube. Pag i-watch, importante kayo na siya. Naku-question na. Next, human body, the main organs and organ system. So, I think wala akong video nito. But you go over to the materials na ako yung mga question including the senses. And of course, animals and plants. Mayroon din ako mga tanong na kinuha doon. Please read your material and watch the videos that I uploaded here. And of course, heredity, medyo conflict talaga itong mga questions sa heredity. So please focus more on what? Kay Gregor Mendel, the Punnett square, how to make a Punnett square, pila ka percentage, yon. Daghanan ako hinto Okay, so I know you're all excited. So, of course, let's try answering questions. By the way, our exam is a multiple choice. So, dali ra kayo na siya para sa inyo. So, let's try answering this one. So, let's have a game. So, sir, so maning game na to. Okay, so I will give you 5 counts to answer certain questions. Then, of course, you will set na your answer you may use scratch dira if ever na scratch or any paper. So write your answer. And of course, after question, sagot dayon tayo. Okay, check or X lang kung tama ka, X kung mali ka. Okay? So of course, if you got the score of 3, takog chance nga makapasar ka. If you got the score of 4, mas takog kita mong chance. Samot nang makakuha ka og 5. Pero kung makakuha ka og 2, murag kailangan jud nimo manggahot pa og study. Samot nang nakakuha kag 1. Samot nang nakakuha kag 0. Okay? So dapat kailangan natin yung focus ninyo. So, I think let's start para dili dugay itong video. Number 1. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Let me read the question. Vascular tissue that transports water in leaves connects directly to which of the following? A, B, C, and D. What do you think the answer? Okay, so if I were the one who will analyze the stem or the question, so first, we have this vascular tissue. Ano ba yung vascular tissue? Go over to the plants. May topic tayo niyan. So, we have actually two vascular tissue sa plants. We have the phloem and we have the xylem. So, ano pa yung ibang hint dito? Transports water. Oh, sorry. So, transports water. So, ano pa yung nagtra-transport ng water? Si phloem ba or si xylem? Si phloem, he is responsible for what? For the transport of sugar. While xylem, it is the responsible for the transportation of water. So, if your answer is letter D, tama ka. Sana all tama. Next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-dang! So, let me read the question. If you are a geneticist, the one who studied genetics, which is the study of heredity, the father of genetics is none other than Gregor Mendel. What does the denotation TT mean? So, huy, basin lahi na nga titi nyo ha. Huy, dili na, bad na. So, science ito. Anong bad? Dili man siya actually bad, pero I just don't like that term. Okay, so TT means what? So, small letter T. So, actually, if you are a geneticist, mayroon tayong dalawa klase kasi. We have the capital T, yung malaking T, at yung maliit na T. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng maliit na T? So, unahin muna natin yung malaki. Yung malaking T, ang meaning nun is dominant. So, kapag maliit, ang meaning nun, recessive. So, ilan ba yung maliit na T? Dalawa. So, there is 2 recessive alleles. Okay, next. Madali lang to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what do you think the answer? Melting ice cream, sublimation blank. So, melting, it is from solid to liquid. So, example niya is ice cream. Ano naman yung example ng sublimation? By the way, ano ba yung sublimation? It is the process wherein it is from solid nagiging gas. So, is it ice cube ba? No. Ice drop? No. Smooth ball? Smooth na ball? Hindi yon. Moth ball siguro yon. The answer is dry ice. So, next. The following are examples of vertebrates except 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-dang! So, the correct answer is... So, vertebrates. Ano ba yung vertebrates? Alam niyo ba, no? Ang vertebrates ay may backbone. At yung invertebrates, walang backbone. So, vertebrates, ano yung hindi vertebrates dito? Or, ano yung walang backbone dito? Is it horse, snake, dog, or crabs? Sir, ang sagot namin, snake. Pag sure mo dira, no. The snake has a bone. That is, ang walang bone lang dito is we have the crabs. Next. And of course, we are down now here with our last question. What does a Punnett square show? So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, ano yung answer nyo? Is it A, B, C, or D? So, ano yung pinapakita ng Punnett square? So, go over to our material, di ba? Naka-Punnett square, naka-box-box ito. So, ano ba yung pinapakita niya? So, it shows what? Only dominant alleles ang ba? Wrong. Only recessive alleles ang ba? Wrong. Is it A or D? The correct answer is letter A. All possible outcomes of genetic cross. So for example, may dominant at recessive, pinapakita nito kung ilang percentage pa. For example, yung mother niya is brown yung hair, yung father niya is blue yung eyes. So, ilan bang percentage yung makukuha kung magkakaroon sila ng anak? Ilan ba yung may blue ay may brown hair? Ilan ba yung may blue eyes? Ilan ba yung yun. So, just go over with our material. So, that's it. I think, yes! 16 minutes lang. So, hindi ko na patatagalin ng video na ito. So, please do watch the part 2 of this video. Another review yon. So, thank you so much for participating. And, God bless in your exam. This is Mark Jana Martinez. Sawadi ka.